This is the DT10, 1000 kilo payload, and it comes with the Briggs & Stratton engine. You can see it here if you come here. So it's the XR 2100 Briggs & Stratton. So the weight on this one is 500 kilo, so it's easy to take to a work site. You can just put it on a trailer and take it to wherever you need it. So please come and test it, and yeah, you will like it. Okay, good luck. Good luck. This dumper.
So, am I in focus? So, my name is Etienne Vogel. I'm the content creator here. I test this DT10. Did I test it before? No. And now I'm gonna try to empty it. So where? Right side. Here's the right side. It's on. First, I want this front thing to come down. Haha. Easy. Let's go forward. Okay, let's turn and forward. Oh, yeah. Is this? Yeah? I did. Oh yeah. Oh, now I'm much better. I'm a pro. What am I doing? Huh? Ah. Aha. Wrong way. Okay. And now back. I feel like a child. Hoppa. Like Tokyo Drift here. Bye bye. It's too much easy. Too much. I did drink. Huh? Yes, okay. You have to. This is. Even I could do it, and then you can do it too. I hope you like this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.